Here's a counting problem from a community book corner. Mia organizes donated books on shelves. The first shelf holds 7 books. The second shelf holds 8. The third shelf holds 9, and the pattern keeps going in the same way. There are 15 shelves in all. How many books are there altogether? Before I show you anything, pause the video and try it. Here's a hint. There are 15 shelves, so don't add them one by one. There's a much smarter way. See if you can find it. Pause now. I'll wait. Let's start with the step. The first shelf has 7, the second has 8, the third has 9. How much do the books grow by each shelf? And what number sits on the 15th shelf? Each shelf grows by 1. So shelf number 2 has 7 plus 1, shelf number 3 has 7 plus 2, and so on. The 15th shelf has 7 plus 14. That's 21 books. So our shelves run from 7 all the way up to 21. Now the big question. How do we add 7 plus 8 plus 9 all the way up to 21, 15 numbers, without adding them one at a time? Think back to our very first video, the Mental Math Challenge. Remember Gauss's trick? Here it is again. Write the sum forwards. S equals 7 plus 8 plus 9 up to 21. Now write it backwards. S equals 21 plus 20 plus 19 down to 7. Add the two lines column by column. 7 plus 21 is 28. 8 plus 20 is 28. 9 plus 19 is 28. Every single column gives the same total, 28, and there are 15 of them. So 2s equals 15 times 28. 2s equals 15 times 28, which is 420. Divide by 2, and s is 210. So Mia has 210 books in her book corner. And here is the big lesson. To add a long list of evenly spaced numbers, pair the first with the last, then the second with the second to last. Every pair adds to the same total. The whole sum is the count times the first plus the last, all divided by 2. It's the same Gauss pairing we learned in our very first video. The same trick works again and again. That's why it's worth remembering. Learn, compete, and win at competitivekids.org.